Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to create a Vercel token step by step. Start by clicking the drop-down at the top left of the navigation bar and select Personal Account, not Teams. Next, click your profile picture in the top right corner of the dashboard. A drop-down menu appears. Click Settings. Once you're in Settings, navigate to the Account Tokens page. You'll find it in the left sidebar navigation menu. Look for the tab labeled Tokens or Account Tokens. Click it. On the Account Tokens page, you'll see any existing tokens you've created, plus a button to create new ones. Click Create to open the Create Token modal. A modal dialog opens asking for token details. First, enter a descriptive name for the token, something like in physical integration, or whatever helps you identify what this token is for. Type that into the text field. Below that, you'll see a drop-down to choose the scope of access for the token. This lets you control what the token can access. You can scope it to specific teams if you need to. Pick the scope you want from the drop-down. Once you've named the token and chosen the scope, click Create Token at the bottom of the modal. The modal now displays your new API token. This is the only time you'll ever see this token in plain text. Copy it immediately. Click to copy the token, then paste it into a secure location. Once you close this dialog, you won't be able to retrieve the token again. Store it in a secret manager or as an environment variable in your project. Never commit it to source control or share it publicly. Treat it like a password. If you lose it, you'll need to create a new token from scratch. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.